Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Sharmin Soma, and today I'm gonna show you this beautiful glam but easy makeup look which is perfect for this festive season. And now it is the season of winter and the month of December. December is the month of wedding season, and also we have Christmas Day upcoming, so we will have Christmas party too. And December is also the month of my birthday. Yes, it's my birthday today. Happy birthday to me. Okay, thank you so much for wishing me on my birthday. And after that we have New Year party too. So this makeup look is perfect for any kind of party. So if you are interested to know how I create this makeup look, then keep watching this video. Before starting today's video, I will like to request my new viewers who are watching right now, please subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe yet, and who already subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you like this video, then please give a like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you don't subscribe yet my channel, subscribe my channel, hit this red button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload my new videos, and it's absolutely free. Now let's start it. I already did my face makeup. Let me show you what I used. First, as a primer, I used W7 Pore Minimizer primer to reduce my skin pore, and for foundation today I used 24-hour Revlon Color Stay foundation, and my shade is Golden Beige. 300 Golden Beige is my shade. After that, to highlighting my face, I use Lasting Perfection concealer and my shade is Light. And to set my foundation and concealer, I use Rimmel Stay Midi Press Powder in the shade Transparent. Now I'm going to start my eye makeup. First, let me finish my apple cider vinegar. Okay, first I'm applying concealer on my eyelid, all over my eyelid. After applying concealer, I am blending it with a damp beauty blender. Now to set this concealer, I am using Rimmel Stay Midi Press Powder in the shade Transparent. You can use any kind of press powder, loose powder, whatever you like. Now from FACUAL eyeshadow palette Twilight, I am going to take this color, brownish color named Amber, and I am using a fluffy brush. With this fluffy brush, I am applying this eyeshadow color on my eye crease area and also outer corner of my eyelid. Now again I am taking the same color and now I am applying it inner corner and outer corner and also little bit on my eye crease area. You have to blend it very well. Next I am taking this dark maroon type of color named Rose Valley. And to apply this eyeshadow, I am using a pencil brush from Zoeva, and I am applying it targeting on my outer corner and inner corner of my eyelid and a little bit on my eye crease area. I want my eyeshadow little bit darker, so I'm gonna use this dark color shadow named Tiramisu, and the same way I'm going to apply it inner corner and outer corner of my eyelid and also my eye crease area. And now for more smoky effect, I'm going to use a black color shadow from Personi. It's a powdery eyeshadow. I'm using this eyeshadow because it's so pigmented. That's why I'm using this black color. You can use any kind of black color as per your choice. And I'm applying it the same way. And the brush I'm using is also a pencil brush, but it's a non-brand pencil brush. After that, I'm blending it with Zoeva pencil brush. You have to blend it very well so that there is no harsh line. And after that, I'm blending it with a Real Technique brush. And now I'm applying concealer on the middle of my eyelid. I'm blending it with my finger. I'm blending it very well. And I don't need any harsh line, so I'm blending the ending area, or you can say the joint area also. With my finger, I'm blending the joint area. Okay, now it's looking perfect. And now in this middle area, I'm going to use this pigment from FACUAL. That's how it looks. It's a beautiful golden color. And I'm applying it middle of my eyelid. Look at the color. Look at the shininess of this pigment. My camera is out of focus, that's why it's not looking clearly. I'm sorry for that. Now again with the color Tiramisu, I am blending the joint line of this eyeshadow. And now to highlighting my brow bone area and inner corner of my eyelid, I am going to use this highlighter from Revaluation Golden Light. First I am highlighting my inner corner of my eyelid, and I am using a small brush from Zoeva. And also I am highlighting my brow bone area with it. For my lower lash line, now I am going to mix these two eyeshadow together, Rose Belly and the black eyeshadow. I will mix this eyeshadow together, and then I am applying it on my lower lash line. Only the half of my lower lash line I am going to apply this eyeshadow, and I am applying it with a pencil brush. Next, for lining my eyes, I am using NYC liquid eyeliner. It's a super black eyeliner. I always make wings first and then I apply my eyeliner. Next, I am using MAC gel eyeliner to make a small wings inner corner of my eyelid. Using Jordana white kajal pencil on my waterline. And for mascara, I am using Jordana mascara in the shade black. Going to use this false eyelashes from Red Cherry. It's made by 100% human hair. And the lash glue I'm using is from Lash Grip. Using that FACUAL loose glitter which we use in our eyelid area, I'm using it also on my inner corner of my eye. Dusting off the excess powder and false glitter from my under eye area. And now I'm going to contour my face and nose. To contour my face and nose, I am using this Define and Contour Kit from Minister. First, I am applying the yellow kind of powder under my eyes to highlighting my under eyes. And now I'm using this brown color shadow powder to contour my face. First, I am contour my cheeks. You can see how I'm contouring it. Also applying little bit on my forehead, and then I'm applying it on my jawline. If you have double chin, then you must contour your jawline. It will help to hide your double chin. Now I'm contouring my nose with the same contouring powder, and I'm applying it with a eyeshadow brush. It's a flat eyeshadow brush. For blush on, I'm using a eyeshadow Rose Valley, which we use in our eye makeup. I don't have any reddish color blush on, so I'm using this eyeshadow as my blusher. For highlighting my face, I'm using Makeup Revolution brush and contour palette Golden Sugar. From this palette, I'm using these two colors. First, I'm using the white highlighter on my nose, and then I'm going to use the golden white highlighter. Now I'm using this gold highlighter only the top of my nose. Now I'm going to highlight my face. After using white highlighter, now I'm using gold highlighter. Time for using lip color. First, I am drawing my lips with the Jordana brown color lip pencil. I don't have any dark maroon type of lip color, so what I am doing here, I am mixing two liquid lipstick, brown and red. I am mixing two color to make a maroon type of lip color. And this is the color. I think it's look beautiful, gorgeous, absolutely stunning. With this makeup look, you can also use any nude color lipstick. It also look good with this makeup look. And this is my final look. I hope you like this makeup look and like my video. We have come to the end of this video. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Love you all.